Hello students. So in the last lecture we discussed wave equation, speed of wave, speed of particle in a wave, acceleration of particle in a wave, maximum acceleration, maximum speed of wave. So now students, next we discuss we see some numericals. So see students, now that question asked in a 2011. That question asked in a 2011. What is that question, students? See, for two waves, equation of wave is A sine omega t plus kx plus 0.57 meter. Equation of second wave is A cos omega t plus kx, right? This is the equation of second wave. Now we want to find phase difference between them. Phase difference between them. See what are the option. 1 radian, 1.25 radian, 1.57 radian, and 0.57 radian. What is the equation of two waves? Y is equals to A sine omega t plus kx plus 0.57. What is the equation of second wave? A cos omega t plus kx. Now see students, if you want to find phase difference, then take both the equation of wave in a same trigonometry function. Okay, as we know આપણા SHM માં કર્યા હતા, યા તો બંને સાઇન માં આવવા જોઈએ, યા તો બંને કોસ માં. So here one first equation of wave is in the function of sine, second is in a function of cos. So now we want to convert this cos function into sine. Okay, we want to convert this cosine function into sine function. Cos ne sine ma easy rehse. Chalo, so first function is in a proper form. What is the equation of first wave? A sine omega t plus kx plus 0.57 meter. So now this convert cos function into sine function. How to convert cos into sine, students? Cos pi by 2 plus theta is equal to sine theta. Cos pi by 2 plus theta is equal to sine theta. Chalo, why we use plus? Because अगर माइनस लेशो तो ओमेगा टी माइनस થઈ જશે. So always take plus. Okay, આપણે વાત થઈ હતી. So શું કરવાનું તમારે? ખાલી A cos now that convert into sine. So A sine omega t plus kx plus pi by 2 plus pi by 2. So that function cos is convert into sine. But see, this is in radian. So so now what is the value of pi by 2? So A sin omega t plus kx. Pi means 3.14, 3.14 by 2. So now see students, equation of first wave is in the form of sine, equation of second wave is also in the form of sine. So now both wave equation is converted into the trigonometric function of sine. For first wave, what is the phase? Omega t plus kx plus 0.57. For second wave, what is the phase? Omega t plus kx 1.57. So see students, all answer in positive, so we subtract from higher value. So theta 2 is higher, 1.57. So omega t plus kx 1.57, omega t plus kx plus 0.57. If we open the bracket, then omega t minus omega t cancel, kx cancel. So 1.57 minus 0.57. So what is the answer? 1 radian. Okay, what is the answer students? 1 radian. So now next question. Now next question that asked in a 2008. 2 points are located at a distance of 10 meter and 15 meter from the source of oscillation. Now see students, from that point oscillations are start. Now there are the 2 points A and B. What are the distance of 2 points A and B? 10 meter and 15 meter. Okay, what is the distance of 2 points from the point of oscillation? 10 meter and 15 meter. Chalo, now we want to find what is the time period? 0.05 second. What is the time period? 0.05 second. And what is the speed of wave? 300 meter per second. What is the speed of wave? 300 meter per second. Now we want to find phase difference between 2 points. Find phase difference between what is the distance between two particles? That is 15 meter minus 10 meters, so 5 meter. Time period of wave is given, speed of wave is given. We want to find phase difference between 2 points. Chalo, so students, quite easy question. Means oscillation start from the point, this point, means waves are created from this point. Chalo, so now what is the distance between 2 points? Delta x 15 minus 10, 5 meter, and we want to find phase difference between 2 points. Chalo, so what is the formula for phase difference? Delta phi is equals to 2 pi by lambda into delta x. And now what is the formula for phase difference? 2 pi by lambda into delta x. Delta x is known as distance between two particles, or it is also known as path difference. Students, that formula we used in a wave optics also. Okay, so that formula we can use in a wave optics. Okay, chalo, so now students see, We want to find lambda. What is the speed? 300. What is the time period? 0.05 second. So speed is equal to distance upon, as we know, what is the formula of speed of wave? Speed of wave is what? Here we want to find wavelength, students. See, time period and speed is given, but we want to find wavelength. So what is the speed of wave? Frequency into wavelength. है ना? What is the speed of wave? Frequency into wavelength. આપણે કાલે જોયું હતું new lambda. But frequency is not given, so frequency is 1 by t. So what is lambda? Vt. So lambda is Vt. Now place all the value. So 2 pi. What is the speed? 300. What is the time period? 0.05. See, 0.05 means 5 by 100. So 0 cancel, 5 cancel. So final answer is, students, final answer is 2 pi by 3. Okay. Chalo. So what is the final answer? 2 pi by 3 radian. Chalo. So clear. What is our final answer? 2 pi by 3 radian. Okay. So that is our final answer. Now see the next. Chalo, the frequency of progressive wave Chalo, we want to find phase difference between 2 points. Find phase difference between 2 points if Chalo, so see students, we want to find phase difference between find phase difference between 2 points if time difference of oscillation between 2 points. Time difference of oscillation between 2 points is 0.02 second. Okay. Chalo. So what is the frequency of progressive wave? 40 hertz. We want to find phase difference, means we want to find delta phi. Delta phi is what? Phase difference between 2 points. If time difference of oscillation between 2 points means delta t. What is delta t? 0.02 second. What is the delta t? 0.02. Now students, here we want to use the formula of relation between phase difference and time difference. See, what is the formula? Delta phi is equals to 2 pi by lambda આપણે કાલે આ ફોર્મ્યુલા ડિરાઈવ કરી હતી સ્ટુડન્ટ. This formula we can use whenever if path difference is given. But see students, here time difference is given. Here time difference is given. So what is the change in formula? See, here we consider time difference, then here we consider time period. Okay, that formula we will prove in the last lecture. Okay, આપણે પ્રૂફ કરી છે સ્ટુડન્ટ્સ. સો કેવી રીતે યાદ રાખશો? if we consider path, here path difference, so if time instead of path difference, here we consider time difference, then instead of wavelength we consider time period t. Okay, chalo. So again now frequency is given but time period is not given, so here we write 1 by nu. Chalo. So frequency is in multiply. Now place the value, so 40 into 2 pi. What is the time difference? 0.02 second. Now 40 into 2 pi, 0.02 means 2 by 100, that 0 cancel. So 2 by 5, so 8 pi upon 5. So what is the answer? 8 pi upon 5 radian. Okay, what is the answer? 8 pi upon 5 radian. Chalo, so this is the what? Phase difference between 2 points. Chalo, now students, next we discuss different form of wave equation. So now we discuss what? Different form of wave equation. Okay, so how to discuss different form? See, what is the meaning by different form of wave equation? See students, see, this is the first form. This is the equation of wave moving in a positive x direction. If a wave is moving in negative x direction, when we write omega t plus kx. Okay, chalo. So see students, that is the equation, first equation. But now we want to derive its different form. Okay, હજી આપણે બે form derive કરીએ. So total there are the 3 form of wave equation. What is the second form that we want to derive, students? See, now as we know, omega is equals to 2 pi by lambda. Omega is equals to 2 pi by lambda. K means 2 pi by, omega is equals to 2 pi by t. K means 2 pi by lambda. Now 2 pi common, so t by capital T upon x by lambda. So this is the second form. So this is the second form of wave equation. A sin 2 pi in bracket t by capital T minus x by lambda. Okay, so this is the second form of wave equation. Now next students, see, this is the first, this is the second. Now we want to derive the form in terms of speed wave. Okay, આપણે કેના ફોર્મમાં derive કરવું છે students? In terms of speed wave. ચલો, તો હવે આમાં આપણે વેવ સ્પીડ લાવવાની છે ઇન શોર્ટ. ઓકે, સો હાઉ ટુ ઇન્ટ્રોડ્યુસ વેવ સ્પીડ હિયર? સી, speed is equals to as we know, wave speed is equal to nu lambda frequency into lambda, and frequency is equals to 1 by t. So what is lambda? Vt. Okay, so what is the answer? A sin 2 pi so A sin 2 pi by t common, t minus x by v. So this is the three different form of wave equation. First form of wave equation, second form of wave equation, and third form of wave equation. A sin 2 pi by capital T in bracket t minus x by v. Okay, so this is the three different form of wave equation. These students first and third are most useful form of wave equation. Okay, so now students, next we discuss intensity of wave. As we know, when during the propagation of progressive wave, they also carry energy. So now we want to discuss intensity of wave, energy of wave, energy density of wave, power of wave. Okay, चलो, so घनी बार आ formulas पूछाई गई है खाली. So now we discuss intensity of wave. Intensity, energy, and power of wave. Intensity, energy and power of wave. Chalo, so now see students, now we want to measure intensity, energy and power of wave. Chalo, so how to consider that, students? See, intensity, energy and power of wave. Chalo, so see students, first we start from the energy, right? First we start from the energy. So see students, during the propagation of progressive wave, they are moving continuously. Okay, so progressive wave continuously moving, so it means the particle is continuously oscillating. So students, here we consider energy of wave means maximum kinetic energy of particle in a wave. Why? Because particle continuously oscillating, so there is a continuous motion of a wave. So see students, energy of wave means maximum kinetic energy of particle in wave. And what is the maximum kinetic energy? Half mv square, and it is maximum kinetic energy. It is maximum kinetic energy, so we consider maximum speed. And what is the maximum speed, students? Omega a. Okay, what is the maximum speed? Omega a. What is the maximum speed? So that is omega A. So now open the bracket. So A is amplitude, students. A is what? Amplitude. Okay, omega is angular frequency. So that is the energy of wave, half. What is the energy of wave? Half m omega square a square. Okay, what is the energy? Half m omega square a square. So now so it is clear, students, energy of wave means what? We consider maximum kinetic energy of a particle in a wave. So now we want to derive the next, that is energy density. Next we want to derive energy density of wave. So what is the energy density of wave, students? See, energy density means energy per unit volume. Energy density means what? Energy per unit volume. Okay, what is the meaning by energy density, students? Energy density means energy per unit volume. Chalo, so what is the energy? Half m omega square a square and volume. So see, students, mass by volume. Mass by volume means what? Density. Density of what? Medium through which wave can propagate. If say medium for sound wave, what is the medium? Air. So we consider density of air. Okay, so rho is the density of medium. So this is the formula of energy density. Energy density means what? Energy per unit volume. So divide by volume, and mass by volume is density. But students, most of the cases that energy density, energy intensity represent in the terms of frequency, not in the terms of angular frequency, but in the terms of frequency. So now, students, in the place of omega we write 2 pi nu. So here we write omega is equals to 2 pi nu. So open the bracket. So 4 pi square nu square a square. So 4 upon 2 pi square nu square a square rho. Okay, so that is what? Energy density. 2 pi square nu square a square rho. So what is the energy density of wave? 2 pi square, nu means frequency, a is amplitude. So what is the energy density, students? What is the energy density of wave? 2 pi square nu square a square rho. Rho means what? Density of medium. Okay, chalo, so this is the formula. Yaad rakhjo, students. Energy density 2 pi square nu square a square rho. So what is the formula for energy density? 2 pi square nu square a square rho. चलो, now next students we discuss intensity of wave. Okay, so students આ common formula અગર તમે intensity of EM waves એ જોયું હશે. So what is the meaning by intensity? Intensity means energy per energy incident in a unit area in a unit time interval, that is known as energy density. Okay, what is the meaning by energy density? Energy incident on a unit area in unit time interval, that is known as energy density, intensity. So what is the meaning by intensity? Intensity of wave, energy incident on a unit area in unit time interval. On a unit area in unit time, that is known as intensity, E by AT. So students, see, we want to obtain intensity. So first we want to obtain a relation between intensity and energy density. Why? Because see, here we already find the formula of energy density, that is what? 2 pi square nu square a square rho. So first students, we want to obtain relation between intensity and energy density. So बहुत easy થઈ જશે જો. चलो, so see how to obtain. See, intensity means what? Energy incident on unit area in unit time, that is energy, that is intensity. And what is energy density? And see, what is the energy density? Energy density means energy per unit volume. So volume means area into distance. Volume means what? Area into distance. So see students, here energy and area is there. If you want to write intensity in terms of rho, intensity in terms of energy density, then what is the energy density? What is the formula of energy density? Energy per unit volume. And what is the volume? Area into distance traveled by wave. So see students, કેટલો term બેના difference છે? If you want to write intensity in terms of energy density, then what is the difference? Energy is there, area is there. What is the missing term? Distance. So અહીંયા distance missing છે student. So energy by area into divide and multiply by distance. See, we divide and multiply by what? Distance. So now energy upon area upon distance is what? Energy density. So energy upon area into distance means what? Energy density. And see, distance upon time means speed of wave. So what is the relation students? What is the relation? Intensity is what? Energy density into speed. Students, આ relation તમારે EM waves માં આવ્યો છે. I is equal to 0. કદાચ યાદ હોય તો તમને રો સી કહેતા આવીશું, અહીંયા તો 0. એમાં રો શું હતું? અગેન એનર્જી ડેન્સિટી અને સી સ્પીડ ઓફ લાઇટ. ઓકે, સો સેમ રિલેશન તમારે એમાં આવી ગયો છે. I is equal to 0. એમાં સ્પીડ ઓફ ઓલ EM waves બધા EM waves ની સ્પીડ કેટલી હોય? What is the speed of all EM waves? That is same as the speed of light in a vacuum. So here we write C in terms of EM waves. But what is the speed of wave? V. Same relation જ છે. Okay. ચલો, so એકદમ easy formula થઈ ગઈ. What is the intensity, energy density into speed of wave? And what is the energy density? 2 pi square a square nu square what is the formula of energy density? 2 pi square a square nu square rho. Rho means density and here V. So students, તમને એક યાદ હશે energy density. Energy density યાદ હોય તો how to find intensity of wave? Simple, multiply by speed of wave. અને V સાથે multiply કરો so we get what? Intensity of wave. And if we want to find energy from energy density, then divide by volume, because energy density by energy by volume. So we get energy. તો એક યાદ રાખી લેવાય, એનર્જી ડેન્સિટી, એમાંથી એનર્જી મળી જાય અને ઇન્ટેન્સિટી પણ મળી જશે. ઓકે, so simple relation, intensity means energy density into V. A is what? Amplitude, nu is frequency, rho is density of medium, V is speed of wave. So see students, from this formula it is clear, intensity is proportional to square of amplitude. Okay, આપણે આ વેવમાં જોયું હતું, intensity is proportional to square of amplitude. Here we prove this formula. Intensity is directly proportional to what? Square of amplitude. Chalo, now then power. See students, if you want to find power, then use the formula of intensity. Intensity means area upon time. So see students, energy upon time. Energy upon time means power. So intensity is what? Power by area. So from this formula we can find intensity. And what is the unit of intensity? Power by area. What is the unit of power? Watt. And what is the unit of area? Meter square. So what is the unit of intensity of wave? Watt per meter square. Chalo, so we discuss energy, energy density and intensity. Chalo, now next students we discuss loudness of a wave. Loudness. Chalo, loudness is a what? Loudness is related to the intensity of sound. Loudness is intensity level intensity level of a sound. See students, intensity level of sound means what? See, તમને કોઈ sound હોય, so loudness છે એનું લેવલ છે. સપોઝ ઘણા આ ડિફરન્ટ પર્સન માટે આ ડિફરન્ટ હોય. ઘણા પર્સનને કેમ સ્ટુડન્ટ્સ થોડો સાઉન્ડ આવે તો પણ ઇરિટેટ થવા માંડે, મતલબ એના માટે લાઉડનેસ બહુ હાઈ છે. ઘણાને એકદમ ફાસ્ટ મ્યુઝિક હોય તો પણ બહુ કંઈ ઇફેક્ટ ન થાય, તો એના માટે લાઉડનેસ ઓછી છે. સો લાઉડનેસ ઇઝ અ વોટ? ઇટ ઇઝ અ intensity level of a sound. Okay, so loudness is a intensity level of a sound. And it is different for different person students. Okay, suppose ઘણાને સેમ સપોઝ હોમ થિયેટર ચાલુ હોય તો આપણે મજા આવતી હોય તો આપણા પેરેન્ટ્સ હોય તો કદાચ એની સાઉન્ડ ન ગમે, because the loudness means level of intensity is different for different person. But what is its general formula for given intensity? How to measure loudness, students? See, 10 log 10, what is the base? 10, and what is the equation? 10, it is a multiplication. 10 log 10 base I by I0. What is I? Is your intensity. I is measured intensity of sound. What is I? Measured intensity of sound. I0 is the reference intensity. What is I0? I0 is a reference intensity and its value is fixed 10 raised to minus 12 watt per meter square. And what is the unit of loudness here? Decibel. And 1 decibel is 1 bell is equal to 10 decibel. ઓકે, એટલે તમે ઘણીવાર સ્ટુડન્ટ્સ કોઈ સ્પીકર હોમ થિયેટર લેવા જાઓ ને તો એને બધા એ લોકો એમ કે આટલા ડેસિબલનું છે, આટલા ડેસિબલનું છે. સો ઇટ ઇઝ ધ intensity level of a sound, means intensity level of sound means loudness. Chalo, so now students see some numerical. So this I is different for different sound because I is a intensity of sound, but that I0 is a constant. Okay, it is a reference intensity, and what is its value? 10 raised to minus 12 watt per meter square. So now discuss some numericals, MCQ of that. Chalo, what is the intensity of sound? What is the intensity of sound? What is the intensity of sound of 70 decibel, where I0 is what? 10 raised to minus 12 watt per meter square. Sure. So how to measure? See, what is the we want to measure? We want to find intensity, and what is the loudness? See, decibel હોય એટલે loudness સમજી લેવાનું. What is the loudness? Loudness means intensity level of sound. So it is very easy question. L is equals to log 10 So students see log 10 I by I0. What is L? 70 decibel. Chalo, so sorry that 0 0 cancel. So what is the answer? 7 log 10 I by I0. Now if we set the 10, then it becomes 10 raised to 7. Okay, it is the property of log. 10 સામે જાય એટલે 10 raised to log 10 સામે જાય એટલે 10 raised to 7. So So I is equal to, what is I0? 10 raised to minus 12. So what is the intensity of sound? 10 raised to minus 5 watt per meter square. Okay, chalo. Now see the next question. Chalo, next question. How many times intense in 90 decibel sound than 40 decibel sound? How many times more intense 90 decibel sound than 40 decibel sound? Means for 90 decibel sound intensity, if loudness is 90 decimal, then intensity is suppose I1. Okay, suppose when loudness is 90 decibel, then what is intensity? Now when loudness is 40 decibel, then what is, suppose intensity is I2. Now we want to find how many times I1 is more than I2. Okay, so we find here ratio. Chalo, so first write the formula. Loudness 1, 10 log 10 I1 by I0. So 40 10 log 10 I1 by I0, 0 0 cancel, then shift the log 10, so it becomes 10 raised to 4 I1 by I0. So I1 is equal to, students here we take ratio, I0 cancel the others. So same for second, L2 10 log 10. What is the loudness in second? See, loudness in a first case is a 90 decibel. So here 90, so 10 raised to 9. Chalo. In the second case, what is the loudness? In first case 90, in second case 40. Chalo. Okay, and 10 shift, so 10 raised to 4. So what is I2? 10 raised to 4 I0. Chalo, now take ratio. So I0 cancel. So see 10 raised to 5 times the intensity of first wave compared to second. Okay, so this is the concept of loudness.